Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best vacuum for dorm rooms and small apartments, the Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum, Model 3508. If you're living in a dorm or a cozy apartment, you know how important it is to have a vacuum that's both powerful and easy to handle. The CleanView Compact fits perfectly in those tight spaces while delivering impressive cleaning performance. Right out of the box, the vacuum is noticeably lightweight, weighing less than 8 pounds. This makes it incredibly easy to carry around, whether you're moving from your bedroom to the living area or storing it in a closet. Its compact design doesn't just save space, it also enhances maneuverability, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach spots without any hassle. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its powerful suction, driven by a 700-watt motor and a brush roll designed to tackle everyday messes efficiently. It combines this power with scatter-free technology, meaning it captures dirt and debris on hard floors without scattering it around, which is perfect for keeping your space neat with minimal effort. The vacuum has a dirt container with a capacity of 1 liter, and it's designed to be easy to empty with just the push of a button. This no-mess feature is especially convenient in small living areas where you want to avoid dirt spills when emptying the bin. Plus, the filter is washable, which helps maintain the vacuum's suction power over time and reduces the need for frequent replacements. Another great convenience is the removable extension wand and an 18-foot power cord, which give you the reach you need to clean ceilings, curtains, and other higher awkward places without constantly switching outlets. The vacuum includes useful tools like a crevice tool and a dusting brush, expanding its versatility beyond just floors to upholstery and corners. The design is straightforward, with a simple push-button control and just one speed setting, keeping operation easy and intuitive, ideal for anyone who wants a vacuum without complicated settings. The vacuum's dimensions, roughly 11 by 10 by 25 inches, allow it to fit snugly in small spaces and closets, making it perfect for dorm rooms or apartments. From a power perspective, it runs on standard corded electric power, so you never have to worry about battery life or charging times, which is a plus for those who want reliable, consistent cleaning performance. Although lightweight, it doesn't sacrifice cleaning strength, and its portability makes it a breeze to use daily. Beyond just performance, Bissell supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, so by choosing this vacuum, you're also supporting a great cause dedicated to helping homeless pets. This adds a feel-good factor to your purchase. In summary, the Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum is an excellent choice for anyone needing a lightweight, maneuverable, and powerful vacuum for small living spaces. Its strong suction, easy emptying system, washable filter, and handy extension tools make it a reliable cleaning companion. It fits well in dorm rooms and apartments and offers an effective way to keep your space spotless without a lot of fuss. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for an efficient and compact vacuum for your dorm or apartment, the Bissell CleanView Compact might just be the perfect fit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.